Are you looking for the best sewing machine? In this video, we will show 3 best sewing machine. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Brothers Sewing Machine XM2701. Lightweight machine with 27 stitches, 6 included sewing feet. Brand, Brother. Color, white. Material, metal. Item weight, 12.6 pounds. Power source, corded electric. Is electric? Yes. 27 unique built-in stitches. The XM2701 includes 27 built-in stitches, including decorative, blind hem, zigzag, and stretch stitches, and an auto-size buttonhole. Automatic needle threader and drop-in top bobbin. This sewing machine includes an automatic needle threader that perfectly pushes the thread through the needle and a convenient, jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin. Included accessories. The XM2701 comes with 6 sewing feet, 3-piece needle set, twin needle, 4 bobbins, manual, and more. Versatile free arm. This free arm sewing machine is perfect for a wide range of everyday sewing projects and users from beginners to advanced. At your side support. The XM2701 sewing machine comes with Brother at your side support, offering free technical support via online, live chat, or phone for the life of your machine. This product is intended for sale only in the US at 120 volts, and any other use or sale voids the warranty. Number 2. Singer Heavy Duty 4452. Gray. High-speed sewing machine plus accessories. 32 built-in stitches deliver 110 stitch applications, 100% more power for thick fabrics, 1,100 stitches per men, 1-step buttonhole. Brand, Singer. Color, gray. Material, metal, plastic. Item weight, 14.6 pounds. Power source, AC/DC. Enhanced piercing power. Stronger motor provides more power for sewing multiple layers and thicker fabrics. Versatile stitching with 110 applications. Enjoy versatile sewing with 32 built-in stitches that unlock 110 stitch applications. Easily switch between basic, stretch, decorative stitches, and a 1-step buttonhole for a wide range of creative and functional sewing techniques. All-in-one accessory kit includes walking foot, non-stick foot, clear clean, heavy-duty needles, zipper and button feet, quilting guide, bobbins, spool caps, tools, and more. Everything needed for smooth sewing on basic to heavy fabrics. Top drop-in bobbin with clear view cover. Jam-proof bobbin and clear bobbin cover plate are both transparent, making it easy to monitor your thread supply. The bobbin is easy to wind and easy to insert as well. Number 3. Portable Tabletop Beginner Mini Sewing Machine for home use. Compact and easy-to-use sewing machine for quick repairs, DIY crafts, and alterations. Giftable sewing machine for beginners, kids, and adults. Brand, Verdanica. Color, white. Material, metal, plastic. Item weight, 4.3 pounds. Power source, AC. 12 stitch options with 2 speed control. Select from 12 built-in stitch patterns for seams, hems, edges, and buttonholes. Low speed helps beginners stay in control, while high speed handles faster projects with clean, even results. Compact size with stable metal frame. Small footprint and lightweight body make it easy to store or move between rooms. The internal metal frame adds stability for everyday fabrics like cotton, denim, linen, and polyester. Simple dial controls and adjustable tension. Clear stitch selector, 9-level thread tension, and reverse stitching help achieve neat starts, secure finishes, and consistent stitch quality without complicated setup. Hands-free pedal or button operation. Choose foot pedal control for smoother starts and stops, or use the built-in power switch for quick tasks. Includes built-in LED light and automatic bobbin winding for added convenience. Full starter kit included. Comes ready to use with essential tools and accessories, including presser feet, needles, bobbins, thread spools, foot pedal, and power adapter. Ideal for quick repairs, DIY projects, and alterations.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.